CROSSING is a joint effort of scientists from quantum physics, cryptography, system security, and software engineering, who collaborate in 3 interconnected project areas. In Project P2, CROSSING is doing research on sanitizable signatures. Today, transferring documents via the internet is part of everyday life. As a result, traditional methods to ensure the credibility of a document need to be adapted to the digital world. There are 3 fundamental goals for IT security: integrity, authenticity, and non-repudiation. Integrity means that you can be sure that data was not modified in an unauthorized or undetected manner. Authenticity means that you are able to confirm the identity of the source. Non-repudiation is a legal term used with contracts. In this context, it describes the legal validity of a document. In the digital world, electronic signatures are the chosen method to ensure the credibility of data. Electronic signatures are additional data that, for example, provide information about the originator and the content of a document. Instead of signing a document with your individual signature, an electronic signature is made by using a secret key. Now, we can ensure the credibility of digital documents. But what about privacy? Another important aspect of IT security. Let's assume you're a patient in a hospital. Let's also assume a public authority is taking a survey on health and is asking for your patient file. But your patient file contains sensitive and private data, and you feel very uncomfortable giving these data to another organization. You'd like to redact your private information from the file, but unfortunately, this would violate the basic goals of IT security. To solve this problem, your personal document is forwarded to a trusted third-party service called a sanitizer. The sanitizer can modify the message, for instance, by redacting parts that are not relevant for the survey. Then, the sanitizer transforms the original signature and derives a valid signature for this modified message. Using this method, the authority is still assured of the integrity of the non-redacted data. Your data is verified as being credible, and at the same time, you do not have to worry about any privacy violations. CROSSING is doing research to improve sanitizable signature methods according to future and present challenges in IT security. For instance, let's look at the sanitizer. Although it provides a useful service, the sanitizer is also a security risk because it has access to your private data. Finding ways to make sanitizing services more trustworthy is one of the goals of our research. One idea is to encrypt your data before sending it to a sanitizer. But how can a sanitizer anonymize data that it isn't able to read? Another idea to improve sanitizable signature schemes is to extend the approach to message authentication codes, as they are a good way to verify the integrity and authenticity of data. A long-term goal is to ensure minimal assumptions within documents using sanitizable signatures. And these are only a few aspects of our research. To learn more about sanitizable signatures, please visit our website.